Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and today we will be learning how to share screen during video calls on WhatsApp. So, first step is to open your WhatsApp application in your phone and go to the desired chat with whom you want to video chat. Now, click on the video call icon at the top. So, once you're in the call, you just need to tap your screen once and you will see these options. You just need to click on this three dots at the leftmost corner of your screen and you will see this option, share screen. Click on that and you will be able to share your screen. Right now I'm not being able to share my screen because I am recording my screen right now and it's disabling to share my screen here and my call. So you can try it and check it for yourself. This will work. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.